Welcome to the University of the Arts London, where creativity meets opportunity.
One of the most exciting aspects of studying in London is that you are here in one of the creative capitals of the world. There is so much creativity, new ideas, and life to inspire you. There are so many galleries, museums, and creative places to explore. We also have gallery spaces and exhibitions of our own, showcasing the work of students, alumni, and international artists, providing a constant source of inspiration and a platform to get your work seen.
If you want to explore some of the creative places in London, the Art Fund membership is a game changer. For just a £5, you can get a year of discounted entry to museums and galleries throughout the UK. Immerse yourself in exhibitions and find your inspiration.
Our studios are the heart of creative practice at UAL. Whether you're into fine art, textiles, or digital media, our state-of-the-art facilities are tailored to support your unique artistic journey. And let's not forget our amazing technicians. These experts are here to support your projects, offer valuable advice, and help you master your new techniques. Building a relationship with them can significantly enhance your practice.
If you need studio space or specific equipment, our online resources booking system, Orb, is what you need. You can use the Orb system to book inductions, workshops, or reserve equipment, which you can then collect from our college loan stores.
And if you need to buy art supplies, our art shops are stocked with everything you need, from top quality paints to unique materials. Our art shops are operated not for profit and are staffed by artists and practitioners who can advise you on the best products for your projects.
If your practice is more digital, we want to ensure you have the best creative tools to create with. On the uni computers, all students enjoy free access to Adobe Creative Cloud. We offer a massively reduced price for the full Adobe Creative Cloud desktop apps, plus 100 GB cloud storage for a year. You can find that offer in our e-store. UAL is here to support your creative journey every step of the way. Are you ready to unleash your potential? We're so excited to see what you create.